everybody, this is Raj from Game Gorillas, and we finally have this amazing source code for you today. And if you've been following us in our previous videos, you would notice that we launched a micro version of the basketball game a couple of weeks ago. And in the video we'd mentioned that we're coming up with an excellent high quality source code, which is all the features to make it a very high quality and a top grossing kind of app. And this is what we have for you today. But let me not get down to the briefs and everything, and let me just get straight to the features of this particular code. Now, once you log in, you'll notice that this is the main screen. We have the interactive 3D main screen here. We have a player, we have the background, and of course, whatever you want can change later on. We have the one player setting, we have multiplayer, we have Facebook Connect, we have the experience, we have the coins that the person has, which I'll get to in a while. We have the missions, etc., etc. So let me just go there. Let me start playing the game. This is the missions area. Now the game has a lot of things and a lot of modules for a single player if he wants to play the entire game. There are, I think, close to 100 missions which the player has to unlock, and to get clear all these missions, it's not a 1 day or 2 day job. The player has to continuously playing and keep on improving his skills in order to unlock all these missions. So that's something that gets the player hooked onto the game. Now, this is the missions part. We have the option settings here. Once this starts, we have the easy mode, we have the hard mode. Uh, we have approximately 3 different areas to play in, and of course the first one is always free, and the second one you have to unlock for, and the third one you have to unlock for a particular XP which you earn throughout the game. Uh, Another thing is, let me go there. There are, in the gameplay itself, there are multiple uh, basketballs that you can unlock, and that just gives a new or a different edge to a gameplay. Once you have a lot of things to unlock, so again, keeps the player uh, coming back to the game again and again. So let's just start with this, and let me show you. When we select a particular level, then we come here. The game has 4 modes. One is the 60-second rush, then the career, 9 lives, and 1 ball hero. Let's go and play 60-second rush. Alright, I think it's fine. We don't want to change the clothes. Let's start playing with this. Now, whenever the game opens up, we have all the missions that are there. Currently, we are on the bronze missions trophy, and we have 2 missions currently which are not unlocked. Alright, so let's play with this to give you an idea. Alright, now the idea is to swipe your finger up and make sure you get a basket. It's a shots game, so you need to get a basket. Extra time. Now you'll notice throughout the gameplay a lot of power-ups like that will keep coming up. I think the fire has just started on the ring because I've been making continuously more than 3 shots, so that's great. Now if I've lost that, this goes away. It keeps the player hooked on. We have the camera button here. We can change the camera settings. But let me just come back to again one thing, that in the middle of the game you'll keep on seeing some power-ups. Now 4x. Now what I need to do here is that if I make this particular shot, if I would have made a bank shot or a rebound shot from here, then I would have got that particular power. If I would unlock 4x, then my score would be multiplied into 4x, and if I get this one, then I would probably get the extra time. Add on to my time left. Now this is your 60 seconds rush. Now, before I get into this, once the player starts playing up the game, uh, the first time he gets it, would you like to play a training game? And in the training game, it explains what exactly this game is all about. So first it says, swipe your finger up to shoot. Okay, so we do this, and we didn't get this. I can tap the screen and try again. So an interactive tutorial section is also included in this gameplay. Now tap to continue. The next shot, what this is trying to say is that I have to make a bank shot to achieve 2x. Now let's try this to probably give it a little more power. And okay, so that's done. You have all good quality sound effects as you're hearing, with people clapping, you achieving, and excellent SFX throughout the game, which keeps the player hooked on. So now the training is done. Let's go back to our online player. The career section is is an ongoing gameplay where you need to have a set of minimum points in in your game in order to move to the next section. Let's just play this one. Okay, I can. So this is the career section. We have limited time frame in order to get as many shots as possible in order to move to the next level and in order to earn as much XP as possible. Okay, so I just unlocked uh, gameplay. I think a bonus for the career mode. All right. So that's what the career mode is all about. Let's again go back to 9 lives. Again, it's very simple. You get 9 lives, and you miss a shot. You're left with 8 lives, and as many shots as possible you have to get. In one ball hero, you miss one shot, and that's it. So plenty of things for a person to do in this game. It's really awesome, and these are the kind of games which are going to take you to the next level in the app stores. People love playing such games, and it's got everything in it. Now let me show you the best part about this code is that we have the Facebook Connect with it. What the Facebook Connect does is that it activates the multiplayer. We've made a setting that whenever a player puts on Facebook Connect, once he approves, the email address, and the name and the first name of this player would actually be saved in your own database. Now imagine over down the line you have 200,000 players or 300,000 players playing your game, and you have the email addresses of all of them. Imagine with that kind of a data when you launch a new application and when you send an email out to 300,000 people, there is no doubt in my mind that you'll be probably reaching top charts for any new apps that you come up. So this is the beauty of this one. Now, let's play multiplayer. In the multiplayer section, you have all these modes, all these environments that we have. Now let's play the first one. It says 209. Okay, the players are currently playing. That's a default figure. It varies all the time. If I win this particular match from the multiplayer, I'll get 500 coins. If I lose, I'll lose out on 250. Well, let's just try. Alright, it says joining the room, waiting for another player to join in. Now, if a player is there online, currently waiting at the same time, once you start generating more and more players, you will have another person coming in, an actual player who uses Facebook. But if there's no player, then what will happen is that the AI of the system will kick in, and you will play against the computer. But of course, the players feel that they're actually playing against an actual human on the other side. So it's pretty great. It gives a feeling of competitor and competition, and really cool. You can spend tons of time as a player playing this particular game. So great features. I mean, I to be honest with you. Uh, it's got so much stuff in it. It's got so much stuff in it that it's not possible for me to mark every and each and every aspect of this game. You'll see this is the in-app purchases. So, what does an entrepreneur want is a high quality game, which we have here, and you will not find a high quality code like this anywhere else on the internet. And I'm not really joking about it. We've done our research, and this is one code you should have in your inventory and to make it big in the industry. The other thing is that it's got tons of features. It's got a high user retention. It's got too many places for advertising opportunities. It's got in-app purchases. It's got database extraction. You name it, it has it. And of course, a brilliant gameplay. I suggest you download the game from the link below. You love it, your players will love it, and this is something that you should actually be investing in. Uh, I guess that's pretty much all from my side. I wish you guys all the best, and hopefully do well with this project. And the ratio of the chances are that you definitely will do great in this. If the other game that we put up online, uh, a simple basketball game, got over 300,000 downloads, then we're pretty sure a game quality like this on Android alone will do wonders. Thank you so much for tuning in. Uh, Wish you all the best, and thank you so much.